Direct vent gas fireplaces are the most popular hearth appliance choice because of the installation options they provide. One of the most popular direct vents out there is the Tahoe Premium Fireplace by Empire. We get a lot of questions about this appliance because it's such a favorite with fireplace shoppers. So in this video, we're showing you how to use the Tahoe Premium Direct Vent Fireplace. The specialists at eFireplaceStore are certified by the National Fireplace Institute, which means theirs is the knowledge you should trust when it comes to your hearth appliance. What makes it so great? The Tahoe Premium is a step up from Empire's entry-level Tahoe Deluxe, but gives you more venting options than its Tahoe Luxury models. The Tahoe Premium can be vented either from the top or from the rear. It's available in 36, 42, and 48-inch models, with the largest pumping out up to 30,000 BTUs an hour. Inside the Tahoe Premium, Empire puts a tall 4-piece ceramic fiber log set on top of its slope glazed burner. The ceramic beads inside tumble the fuel gas, which helps to make the flames dance. The Premium line also gives you the choice of one of 3 control options: a standing pilot system, an intermittent pilot system, or an advanced multi-function remote control system. All 3 systems have options that allow you to operate the fireplace main burner from either a remote or from a wall switch. On top of that, there are several decorative liners you can choose from to accent the look of the inner firebox. How does it work? Just like all direct vent fireplaces, the Tahoe Premium uses a coaxial vent system, which features a smaller pipe within a larger pipe. The smaller pipe vents exhaust gases out of the home, while the larger pipe pulls in oxygen from the outdoors for combustion. The air between the 2 walls acts as an insulator. This keeps the surface temperature of the outer wall lower than the temperature of the exhaust. Direct vent models also don't use any combustion air from the rooms they're installed in. In fact, the front of the Tahoe Premium is sealed by a door of tempered glass that radiates the burner flame's heat. How do you operate it? In this video, we're looking at the millivolt or standing pilot version of the Tahoe Premium. Once the fireplace is installed and your gas supply line is purged of air, this appliance is simple to use. First, you'll light the pilot with the onboard piezo igniter. You'll leave your pilot on for the season. Then, when you want fire, just turn on the main burner with the included switch at the bottom, or with an optional wall switch that you've connected, or with an optional remote control that you've installed. And just like that, you'll have the tall, attractive flame display the Tahoe model line is known for. Condensation on the glass is normal and evaporates in a few minutes. You can then use the onboard high-low knob to adjust the height of the main burner flames. The millivolt Tahoe Premium Fireplace is a great option if you're looking for a low-maintenance gas fireplace that can be installed almost anywhere. With their impressive performance, history of reliability, and a wide range of style and installation options, it's no wonder Empire's Tahoes are some of the most popular fireplaces on the market today. For help finding out whether one of the Tahoe models is the right choice for your next fireplace, our NFI Certified specialists are just a phone call or email away. Thanks for watching.